Welcome to the ORS 2025 Annual Meeting mobile app. The functionality is the same as you've come to know in prior years, but with some new features. If you choose to log in, and you must log in to use this feature, you'll be asked about your interests. Do you have interest in finding a roommate, or do you have interest in seeking collaborators? You can toggle one or both of these. The boxes to the left will turn blue when toggled on. Once you've logged in and you want to filter those connections, just click the filter button and you can find people who are looking for a roommate by tapping Find a Roommate, or seeking collaborators, or both, and apply those filters, and then the app will show you users with those same interests. If you find a roommate, for example, and you want to turn your settings off, just go to My Interests. Under your profile, these would be turned blue if you have those set as your interests like they are now, and just turn off Find a Roommate and save your changes. And now back to the home page and the basic app functionality. On the home page here, you have quick links to registration, location and hours, speaker ready room, location and hours, exhibit and poster hall, location and hours, and the Wi-Fi network and password. Emergency, please familiarize yourself with the map for the locations of first aid, AED, and ADA accessible entrances and exits. The PCC maps include the North Building 200 level meeting rooms, the West Building 300 level meeting rooms, and North Hall AC. And if you click on the map and you click a room, it will show you what is occurring in that room. We're going to come back to my schedule. If you receive notifications, you'll find them there. A notepad for your convenience. The leaderboard is back this year in response to feedback. You click here, you'll see the points earning system. We'll have some fun with that. Social media. These links take you to ORS feeds for Blue Sky Social, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and X, formerly known as Twitter. The meeting info and policies are located here, along with the mobile app FAQs. In response to feedback, the program materials are linked here: author index, disclosure index, keyword index, in the various versions of program books. The list of sponsors and supporters of the 2025 annual meeting. List of exhibitors, including their booth personnel, websites, and how to connect on social media and any additional sessions they may have. The Search 2025 is an abbreviated version of what is available online on the ORS website for many years of meetings. This is limited to the 2025 annual meeting only. Enter any search term, any name, any keyword. You can enter tendon. If the results are too broad, you can click Advanced Search and narrow it by any of these criteria. Speakers. If we are in alphabetical order by first name, if we search Susan Bucata, our outgoing president, these are the sessions that she's involved with on site. So you can then easily add those to your schedule. And for a different view of that from the home page, if you enter Susan Bucata's name, not only are those sessions listed, but everything that she's attached to, including her sponsorship, some of the meeting policies and information as well, some agendas. So that's a bit of a broader search for persons involved with the 2025 annual meeting. And then the podium and poster lists work similarly. There's a numeric searchable list for each. Podium sessions, this is where it's a little bit different. These are the session titles and they're listed in order of occurrence. When you click into one, you can see when you go to that third level, the search disappears, but each of the papers that occur in that session are still linked. For the poster sessions, it's poster session 1 to BIC, future faculty, postdoc, undergraduate UIM poster sessions. And again, when you click into this level, the search disappears, but we've given you information in the descriptions here that poster session 1 are these poster numbers, these late-breaking poster numbers, a link back to the poster numeric searchable list, links to the poster session 1 viewing and reception, and then also the late-breaking posters. And then Podium and poster special interests, they differ a little bit but work similarly. These are the selections under the Podium, and the poster special interests is this menu. The schedule at a glance is here, can be downloaded, also as a PDF. The meeting schedule, just swipe right to change days or just click on the days. You can use the filter to filter by track. So if you want to know career development that's occurring on any particular day, and you can see some of these sessions you have multiple tracks, so they're denoted as such. If you want to add anything to your schedule, just click the plus sign at the right, and you have a choice to set a reminder. To unfilter, just click reset. Podium presentation is listed individually, so it's a bit more scrolling, but it allows you to add any Podium presentation individually to my schedule. And those are the highlights of the 2025 mobile app functionality. And we hope you enjoyed the improved and new features, and certainly hope that you enjoy Phoenix in the ORS 2025 annual meeting. Thanks for joining us this year.